Dun, 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 dun.
She bit me! She bit me!
What's happening?
Jason, you gotta pay me your half the rent. Come on, stop holding out on me, man.
What happened last night? Grace! Up against the wall. Where were you last night?
I don't remember.
You're under arrest for the murder of Carl Billingsley. Walk. I still don't understand why you're holding me here, officer. You've been deemed unsafe.
Why?
Because you murdered your roommate, Carl Billingsley, last night.
It had to have been the wolf.
Rise and shine. He's gone. Sound the alarm.
What were those sirens? Did you that? I heard it.
I
Yeah.
have no idea. Whatever.
I don't like this show. I need to go to the bathroom.
Okay.
Come on, Tasha. Oh!
Yeah, I'm waiting here.
Come on, come on, come on. Okay, okay. Sit down. Sit down.
I thought you were the one that had to go
No,
to the
no,
bathroom.
no, no. What is going on, little missy? You and Brad have been making googly eyes at each other all night. And I'm sitting in the middle, and I'm trying to figure out what's going on, and I don't know what's going on, so can you figure out what's going on? Come on.
So, he's kind of been hinting,
Mhm.
and I think that he's going to ask me if
Oh my gosh, this has been so long. I know. Okay. Well, we're gonna go downstairs, and then we're gonna sit next to Brad. Well, no, you're gonna sit next to me. I'm not gonna sit next to him. And then I'm gonna be quiet, and I'm not gonna scream, and then maybe he'll ask you, but I'll leave the room. So, okay. Okay. Let's go.
Why do girls have to go to the bathroom together? Do they need help?
Tasha, you can sit there, and I'll sit on the ground. Just make yourself comfortable.
Can I talk with you? No. I'm a little bit ashamed, you know. But I really want to say to you something. It's hard to me, you know, but I just want to know if can you get the newspaper there for me? Can you?
Sure.
Oh, thank you.
You
Just go there, open the door, okay?
are so stupid.
What?
Men are stupid. Men are idiots. You know what you need to do right now? You need to go upstairs. Go outside, get your own stupid, cruddy little newspaper that you want to read, your stupid little business magazine. Chase her, grab her, and ask her to be your girlfriend. Because that's what she's waiting for right now.
I'm going there because there I'm how to work.
Good, leave.
Dasha, sorry make you take my newspapers, Dasha. Dasha, look.
I am a good friend. She's going to appreciate every single little thing that I told Brad